Kajingpang COVID-19 kala yu rong mentah hajan baru kiri jong ko perthai bat ka World Health Organization kala benar ya kini kajingpang kum ka klam kabala pur stat bha bani kiwi ki jingpang kari India ru kade ka we ni kiri kabala syak tak mentah kani kajingpang bat kum ka sin jam bante la kam me kajing sa priang jong kunyang jingpang corona ka sarkar kala penmi esibun ki hukum bat kajing betha ikinong song bakin lat naka bat ru ban omlong kinong pen sa priang
Kajingpang COVID-19 kabla sedang na Wuhan negeri China kelarung mentah syaki sispa andru pun ru teli giri jong perthai. Aduk kiri ki baret aduk kiri ki bahaya bat palat arlak nyau hajar praspa san ngut ki beriau kelayo ekene kajingpang bat palat prahajar ndrus pa ngut kilayap. Kiri ki besyak ta ajur ke ke China ke Italy bat ke Spain ki ba kajingyap beriau kelabun bah. Hagne negeri India kene kajingpang kelayo orong haki bobon ki jela jong kari bat kat aduk kesinto deng jong ketayo. Layo kubor ba sispa anyo pulai ngut kinong India kilakit ekene kajingpang bat sangut keladu no yalah kejong kajing im. Namar kajing syarkaya kajing porstat jong kajingpang. Kesorkar India kala penmi iki hukum bat kajing betha boper ya kinong song baken lat ni kajing ma banyo ekene kajingpang bat bakin omlong kinong pensapriang. Kumbalik kiwe ki jela hakari ka jela Meghalaya ru akala asing ublai kala penmi kajing betha ban khang kerdap syashipor ya borok ki jaka pule nadu ki school ki college ki school ba ki badan ha jela. Kani ko hukum kalami eksin kong jong tayo bat labu bakan trekam hadu kalai pui terik mentau ubrai leber. Ya kani kajing betha la penmi ilang da katenat kakot kakia bat katenat pule putih ke jela. Hakani hi kejuk kesengi ketenat kakot kakia kala penmi kajing betha ban pak khang kerdap lang no ya baru ki jaka jungok kai perthai ki park ki gym ki lempung yelakai ki jaka jingi ki jaka penbernya ki cinema hall ki tamasa bat kiwe ki jaka balak bani lompat ba kanang ban omdan syuk ki jingi lompat ba ban lat kajing sapriang jo kajing pang. Kesorkar kala betha ru ban pensange na penken ria no ikinu ki kenja tamasa bat kijing alang pat ba balabu ban penlong kat haduk kalai pui terik benai leber.
Kalami ka notification na kasarkar ba ka advice ba ya ki tourist spot place of interest kalong ban khang shwa shipor kani kan long ka ditren menta ka issue menta kalong pat ya kini balawan ki basa haslong kumnong inle ta khnang ba nginom la ban shu pushback ya ki breu ki balawan hakaba namar ba ka dokumen kalang ka valid dokumen kidon reba kum ngana jing jiabat kum ki ban yada ka jing yada kalong umdai tang yaki yangiru khnang ba tadain ta kadaw nakal yang ka sarkar ka persang ban wat jing tip ban yo jing tip khnang ba ladon kum nu ki jai kes kilong ba khnang ba ngi la ban le ya ban kam khnang ba ladai ba ki hab ban quarantine ru hapi banle hapo kastit kajongi
Nalor kini ke hukum ke sarkar kelapen miru ikijing betha ban hikai upat ba kumno banle bat ke ka bamdai banle ban lat nakane kejing pang. Yakini kejing betha lapen mi da ketenat kokot kakia jong kejela kum kesenjam peningkong bante lakam kejing pang. Kat kum kejing betha la kentui kipat ba bagian sat khut bahai laki kiti da ka pepenan kami kidawai sat kiti bat ki sabon bandeng yaki respiratory mask ban penya jengai la de ko mashimita ni ki brio bai yang lang ne shong lang ban om yaku blai kiti bat ban kiar hag ban lech ki jaka bubun brio nalor kan ni ketenat kakot kakia kala shimru isenjam ban bo iki testing center kala ki jaka jong kejela na ka benta ban test bat pet penya ki brio ki bawan nabar kejela bat ki bawan nabari rukumjo kini ki testing center kala terekam hatama bil dauki dalu bernihat badru aki surok ba peneso kejela bat kejela asam.
You came from Delhi. You have been scanned at the airport, right? And you know the procedure, the instructions for self-restraint, avoid social distance, maintain social distancing, avoid marketplace, and quarantine yourself at home for 14 days. Okay?
Kipat ba ke bakwa ban pikir la dia ban lat nak Jingpang kila kho re ba ban thiet ki dawai sat kiti bat ki mask kham tam ki nong shillong bat kani ke jing kho re kan san joki kala bu ha ke jing e ki dukan bat ki farmasi ban la ban pen biang e ke jing don kam joki kani ke jing jor ke jing dawai ki mar kala plelin tiru ki riosham kabu ban shim kabu ha ke ban de ki mar ha ke dor ke barem bat bapalat e ke dor yo kani ke jing shim kabu je ki nong dia kala poi ru ki tendong skor jang sarkar kabal penmi de hukum baberngam ban yang ki breu bat pen ngat apo ki kendon jong ka essential commodities act
30 में बेच रहा था हमको कहाँ से ऊपर में
आप कितना में बिक्री कर रहे हो
ये तो हमको ऊपर से दिया था
नहीं कितना में बिक्री कर रहे
ये 30 में बोला
कितना 30
ऊपर में 30 से दिया हम पैसे दिया तो वो आदमी को दिखाएगा
But we are making all efforts to see that we get the maximum stock so that we can serve the people of Shillong and Meghalaya in particular.
Do you have hand sanitizer and this N95
No,
respiratory mask?
presently we have no stock at all. We have trying to contact a lot of people, but till date not even one piece we have got. What stock we had, the old Dettol ones and all are finished. But now presently it's been over 2 weeks now. Not even one piece stock has come to us. So, and the mask also same. What is happening, the roadside mask, that is the only ones that are available, the cloth ones, like the one I'm wearing. Other than that, the N95 mask and all, nothing has come to the market. And 1, 2, whichever come, I am sure those are duplicates. Well, they're asking very high prices for it. Though they have a MRP, but I don't think those are genuine ones. So,
Do you have any plans to urge to the government to make sure that these stocks are available in
I
our
would
state?
request them, please, there are a lot of customers who come and they really want that. And if there's a MRP and good printed, then definitely people will also be happy, we'll also be happy that this will be work out. And this is a very good idea. The government can step in and they can provide us a proper supplier or someone who's giving this at a very reasonable rate. This would always be a big help for us. Even if the sanitizers, we get those big ones where we can give the local public can also use in the shop. And that would also be a very big help for us.
We are there to ensure that that there's no hoarding. We're there to ensure that those who do resort to such kind of practices that they will be strictly held accountable for that, and we have to ensure that such kind of practices don't take place. That some people try to take advantage of the situation, and we will ensure that that does not take place.
Kajing pang COVID-19 kalapan lamwiru yo bobun pat ba kamtam na kajing ni kajing pensapriang ya ki kubor ham saya balai pojat ya ki social media ki ba amtang bagi pencep tiang ndrai ki penjor kajing kuslai ka banjai kajing imam la kesni kani kajing kuslai kelami namar kajing sapriang ki kubor ham saya bagi sorkar kalak ban kanker dabno se ki yo ki hat bantek lakam ne kajing pang namar kini kijat kubor la sakhi menta bagi yo ki hat ki lakapnya da ki nong ni thit jing thiet yaki marba mardi ban bo lupa halaki yang kisam namar kajing syap tiang bai olap sekajing yap tengan ada jasisha bagi sorkar kakang yaki yo habatwa jing mod ikania nak liang unong ai kitian jok sorkar jelau James PK Sangma ulapan pau ya laki jong kinia.
So we are doing our bit because we are seized with the matter, and we want to ensure that such kind of situations we mitigate it so that there's lesser chance of people catching an infection from wherever it may be, God forbid. But at the same time, you can't really put a stop to people's normal day-to-day life, especially going to the market, buying the grocery or buying whatever essential items they require. So, but we are again urging people to be careful and to make sure that such kind of as much as possible people should avoid it.
Kinong syong gejala kelero skade e eksenjam bala syem nak sorkar jela bane khon ne kajing sapriang jog ne kajing pang hendrai kajing khnyom ba kajing kho nyo kadang don hi haki namar kajing I babon kinong wei ki bawan nabar gejala ba nabari rukum jo kidang ya cherum chaneng haki yogi hat bat kisnong ki thau jong gejala kajing kho nyo kami namar kajing syap tiang yo ba kidai kinong kit ya uknyang jing pang corona kabami ru na kajing bam tikna la ka sorkar keladap kami benya ane ya mi ki brio haswa ba kindrong chapok gejala sorkar jelaru kali I kania pada kesimbalang kali penmi I kejing betha ya ki yeng basa ki sengniam bakin ajing tiap caket penat korbari ke jela ladu dan kinong wei ki bawansa ne wan kai ha ki jaka jongki
hibun kini kipri banabar kiwan te ngina kaliang naki pulit kali jing tip ya ka jing wan jongki ngamla ban ong barok ka data kam don bat nga yamenta dan dai naki pulit kila yo jing tip the la persang ban trace ba hang no ki lek nang no ki wan bat ke ka pas ka travel history jung ki ha ki di ke ship nai arbnai
Kata ko dengan sarkar kan sukan tang kan kang kerja tang ilai tourist spot kan kang seno ni tourist su ki bon ni ke jela bat na pari se ke jela rungi
ngi discourage ya ka jing wan jung ki manabar hakum ki di por
Kesorkar jelah kesini pelai jong katayo kelapan benar bankang ya kejinyat ki kali kamai batiyo ki hat abar ko ke jelah ke bantre kam nado ka steng senya jong ka arpu terik ado ka steng senya jong ka arpu terik benai leber. Kesorkar kelapan jari ya kini ka kendon kum kesenja mantek lakam ya kejing lompat ba bankang lat ya kejing sapriang kejing pang COVID-19. Hagasi sajan kinong tre jong Shillong Municipal Board kilalit bansen rat dawai hakalang gibenta jong Sor Shillong. Kumsi benta benele bantek lakam ya kejing sapriang jong uknyang jeng pang corona. Kinong tre ke municipal kila kle ke dawai sodium hypochlorite bat ko Bat hadin kini kila the kini kejing kle ha pom sen rat dawai. Ya kini ke dawai la sen rat ya kenjanar ki basuba bo uknyang jeng pang corona ulaban Ki bakentup ki grill, ki pipe, ki shutter, ki tala, bat kiwe-kiwe. Ya kini kedawai la sendat ya ki yoki hat kilenti ki sengkian bat ikidukan ke badan hakaleng kenong ba Shillong. Syuk-syuk kum kesenjam ban yakun ni kejing sapriang kejing pang COVID-19. Nagliang Chief Executive Officer jong ka Shillong Municipal Board ula betha agipat ba bakim dei ban biak pathar ha kijaka pat ba. Bat kino-kino ke balek persya ken syak pensitom kat kum ki kendon jong ka Meghalaya Municipal Act kat kendai spak nyu pulai. Hagani kesini la sakhiru di surok la theli bat kidukan ki jagat rekam beper ki la khang kerdap lot da ka bobot renti ke jing patha jong ka bor sarkar bat bon ki pat ba ki la shongkhop halaki yang kisam nagaliang ki dikhot jong ka National Cadet Corps NCC kelami chakmat baniang hakaleng ki benta jong ka nongba ha ka ba ki la ajing mot kerpang yi pat ba kumno ban chem ki lat klenti banyada na ka jing pang COVID-19.
Dear citizens, during this global pandemic of COVID-19, we need the cooperation of every citizen to fight coronavirus disease. Till date, there has not been a single case detected in our state of Meghalaya. But that does not mean that we can be complacent. Therefore, the next 4 weeks are crucial for our state to break the transmission chain of the virus. I appeal to every citizen of the state to adhere to all the guidelines and advisories issued by the state government. I kindly urge everyone to postpone all personal, professional, and social activities during this crucial time. The 21st of March 2020 is to be observed as Coronavirus Awareness Day, where all offices, banks, government and private, and other institutions, public places, marketplaces, and public transport will remain closed. I urge citizens to not look at this as a lockdown, but this time must be utilized and observed as a Coronavirus Awareness Day to understand and prevent the spread of coronavirus disease in the state by playing our part as individuals, families, locality, and society at large. I appeal to all the citizens to take this day to focus and become aware about this pandemic disease and take steps to protect oneself and your close ones. I urge my beloved citizens to kindly report any travel history in the last 14 days. Like students, working professionals, private and government both, who have come from outside the state, and to use any of these three ways to inform the government. Number one, by calling 108 helpline number. Number two, by registering on the online registration system, meghalayaonline.gov.in/COVID. Number three, by calling the respective Deputy Commissioner's office control room in your respective districts. I would also urge them to kindly maintain social distancing, including self-quarantine, and maintain personal hygiene like the hand wash protocol. We also urge the headmen to take proactive steps to identify and inform of the same. The medical volunteers and district surveillance team members will reach out to those identified households through phone or make visits if necessary to provide necessary guidance and care to those individuals and families for the next 14 days. I would also like to inform you that the government is taking all necessary steps to maintain essential commodities, and I appeal to every citizen to not panic and try to remain calm, and also let us not stigmatize any person suspected of coronavirus. We must remember that India is currently at stage 2 of the pandemic, and we must all do our part to ensure that the country does not transition into stage 3 or 4. Fellow citizens, let me reiterate that following the prescribed guidelines will reap huge dividends. Therefore, please avoid social gatherings, that is, maintain social distancing, maintain hand hygiene and respiratory etiquette. You must protect yourself, your family, and the society as a whole. Thank you. Kublai Mithila.